Alright folks, today we have Beth from Rockstar Reviews, and she's going to tell you a little bit about these fancy measuring cups and spoons. So Beth, why don't you take over and tell everyone about it?
Good morning, Rockstars. Today we have a stainless steel metal measuring cup and spoons by Cooking Gods. It comes with a bonus magnetic chart. It's a 12-piece stackable cup and spoon measure set with engraved measurements for liquid and dry ingredients. Let's look at some of the highlights of this product. First off, I have to say this would make a great gift, so keep it in mind for upcoming birthdays, Christmas, or Mother's Day, which is right around the corner. These are also baking tools that are designed to last a lifetime. Unlike those cheap measuring tools, these stamped steel tools, they can be passed down for generations to come. They're dishwasher safe and designed to stay shiny and rust free. The spoons fit nicely into spice jars, so you aren't spilling expensive spices all over the countertop, like Adam always does when he actually cooks. The finish is smooth, the cup handles are molded and compact for easy stacking, and they come with a 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked.
Thanks again for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe. We've got a link in the description below. Pick some of these up. They get a 5-star rating from Rockstar Reviews. I'm Adam, and for Beth, we are out of here. If you liked our video, make sure to click subscribe right now. Adios, amigos.
Welcome to Rockstar Reviews. This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description below.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.